there, this is Tech House channel. Welcome back here. So today's topic of discussion will be Pixel Fold. Google is continuously working on its Pixel Fold phone, as the reputed leakster John Prosser has confirmed that the Pixel Fold does exist in his tweet. Also, he says that it will launch lately this year or early upcoming year 2022. As the two giant companies, Huawei and Samsung, has stepped their foot in the market of foldable device. Also, now the Google is planning to launch its foldable device earlier this year or upcoming 2022. It is reported that Samsung will make foldable screen for Google. The foldable technology or the foldable device will burst in this year, as the foldable technology is the future of a smartphone. The company like Oppo, Xiaomi will also launch its foldable device lately this year. Samsung will provide their foldable technology to the Oppo and Xiaomi. The reach for customer for foldable device will be much easier and super convenient, as Xiaomi and Oppo will launch its foldable device this year. The Google has already launched the software for foldable device last year's Android 10, like the app resizable, multi-window and more. Let's wait for the Pixel Fold software for its camera processing, which will be the much awaited part for Google Pixel Fold. If you have enjoyed watching to us, drop us like down below and subscribe to us to watch the content related. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.